Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Matit Yahu, Matthew, Chapter 1. The Book of the Generation of the Mashiach, Anointed One, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham begot Yitzhak, and Yitzhak begot Jacob, and Jacob begot Yehuda and his brethren. And Yehuda begot Peretz and Zara of Tamar. And Peretz begot Hezron, and Hezron begot Ram, and Ram begot Aminadab, and Aminadab begot Nachshon, and Nachshon begot Salma, and Salma begot Boaz of Rahab, and Boaz begot Aubed of Ruth, and Aubed begot Yeshai, and Yeshai begot David the king, and David the king begot Saluma, of her who had been the wife of Uriah, and Salma begot Rehoboam, and Rehoboam begot Abijah, and Abijah begot Asa, and Asa begot Jehoshaphat, and Jehoshaphat begot Jehoram, and Jehoram begot Uzziyahu, and Uzziyahu begot Jotham, and Jotham begot Ahaz, and Ahaz begot Hizkiyahu, and Hizkiyahu begot Menashe, and Menashe begot Amun, and Amun begot Yashiyahu, and Yashiyahu begot Jeconiah and his brethren, about the time they were carried away to Babel. And after they were brought to Babel, Jeconiah begot Shealtiel, and Shealtiel begot Zerubbabel, and Zerubbabel begot Abihud, and Abihud begot Eliakim, and Eliakim begot Azor, and Azor begot Zadok, and Zadok begot Yukim, and Yukim begot Alihud, and Alihud begot Al-Azer, and Al-Azer begot Natan, and Natan begot Jacob, and Jacob begot Yusuf, the betrothed of Miriam, of whom was born Yehoshua, who is called Mashiach. Furthermore, all the generations from Abraham until David are 14 generations, and from David until the carrying away into Babel are 14 generations, and from the carrying away into Babel until the Mashiach are 14 generations. Now the birth of Yehoshua HaMashiach was on this wise. While his mother, Miriam, was betrothed to Yusuf, before they came together, she was found with child of the Ruach Kodesh. Then Yusuf her husband, being righteous, yet not willing to deliver her to death, considered putting her away secretly. But while he thought on these things, behold, the angel of Yahuwah appeared to him in a dream, saying, Yusuf, son of David, fear not to take Miriam your wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Ruach Kodesh, and she will bring forth a son. Moreover, you will call his name Yehoshua. Yahuwah is salvation, for he will save his people from their sins. Now all this was done so that it might be fulfilled which was spoken of Yahuwah by the prophet, saying, Behold, a virgin will be with child, and will bring forth a son, and they will call his name Emmanuel, all with us. Then Yusuf, being raised from sleep, did as the angel of Yahuwah had bidden him, and took his wife unto himself. But he did not know her until she had brought forth her firstborn son, and he called his name Yehoshua.